Already? What the frick? What the frick? I'm dead. I'm actually done. Alright, so I'm gonna put in my brother first. Where is he? What's your name? Dark? Ruler, idiotic monkey. Let's go. Alright, he's in. He's in. Start. Put ready. Press ready. Alright, so which job site? We're gonna do Juniper Road? Are we gonna do Juniper Road? Alright, okay. So we're doing, of course, Nightmare Mode. And we're gonna get some equipment. I'm gonna get 2 crosses, a lighter, 2 lighters. I will get a photo camera, and that's all I'll get for now. And I have $3,000, so that's good. Let's start. Ready? Alright, let's go. Time to lock in. Alright, lock in. Boom, boom, boom. And let's go, boom, boom. Oh, wow, it's cold in here. Yo, it actually might be this. Wait, no, it's not. I'm not sure. Already? What the frick? I'm dead. I'm actually done. Is it open? Yo, I almost put a cross down, please. Wait, let me get a photo camera. That thing is crazy. This room is warmer. Oh, it did? Oh, it was EMF 5. Imagine it's a demon, we could be dead right now. It's a negative temps in this room. It's this room. We also got negative temps. Alright, so we're gonna go pick up this. Let me see what it is there. Run. Okay, so we don't got no ghost orb. I still gotta check though, so I can't just check that. Gotta check, idiot, get up. Let me check the photos. Got the interaction at least. Did I get a photo of the girl? Damn. We gotta burn crosses. Again? I'm dead. Yo, I almost died. I'm dead. It was -7 degrees. It was -7. -10 degrees, I mean. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm actually dead. Is he still here? He's still here. Well, let me try to get a pic. Dude, move out of the way. Stay in the back. You might get killed. Oh, wait, did I get it? Oh, I got it! Whoa, oh wait, no I didn't. Why can't I delete this? Okay, is he gone? Yo, I think he's gone. Do it. Keep doing it. Let me go. Let me go. No, no, keep doing it. Oh, it's not that deep, bro. Damn, run. He's right there. He's right there. I don't think there's no ghost. There's no spirit box. It can still be a demon. I'll be cooked if it's a demon. I know it's negative temps. I saw the negative 10 degrees temperature. Why is it hunting for so long? Wait, it only spawns in his favorite room, I think. It's only fun. Yeah, wait, what does a revenant do? A low hunt. What does a specter do? No, the cross is not effective on it, so it's not a demon. Wait, still ask it questions. Run! Run! I think I captured ghost photo. Did get a ghost photo. How do you delete it? I did, nothing's happening. I think he's gone. Just, we gotta go get some more stuff. Can you stay out of the house? Is this really it? He spawned in that room again. -6, -3. Go to ghost types. Go to it. No, we're not sacrificing. God, there are negative temps, bro. Still gotta see what his favorite room is. I think he's gone. This is not his favorite room. It's this. This is his favorite room. Right here. Yeah, this is his favorite room. Yeah. Right here in this hallway. Laundry room. Yeah, laundry room. Run. Okay, what is... Okay, so... This specter, freezing temps. Okay, so there has to be... Inscription. How do you know? Yeah. Oh, it's still there. Go back. He's gone. Where is the... Dude, drink this energy drink. It's in the bedroom. It's in the bedroom. Go drink the energy drink. He won't come after you then. It's no. The lower the energy, the more hunts. So just drink the energy drink. No, you're not. Oh, there's another energy drink. So I'm gonna drink it. Can you drink it? I already drank one. Nothing happened. Idiot. Fine. I don't know what he did. Where is the stuff? Where is all the stuff? Go get the stuff. Oh yeah, he's here. Wait, did the door close? Run. Oh my god, I almost died. Don't take a picture. Oh, I think he's gone. He's gone, idiot. I don't know what it is, bro. Run. Why is this guy hunting? Did you drink the energy drink? Why'd they be hunting, bro? Okay, so it's a revenant. Dude, this guy's doing a lot, bro. With Spectre. No, it's not a demon, because the crosses are not effective that much. No. I think he's gone. Can you do it? Why? Why did it say that? I don't even know where the inscripting book is. There is freezing temps. I don't know if there's laser projector. I didn't see it. Nah, I'm not gonna do anything. I don't know, I dropped it somewhere, I forgot. He's gone. Oh, I see the EMF reader, so let me bring it. Where did you throw it? On the flashlight. Oh, I see spirit book. Oh, there is spirit book writing. Get out. Yeah, there's inscription. There's inscription. Go to evidence. It's a revenant. Oh, I told you it's not a demon. Let's go. We got it in the bag. Alright, nice. Yes, finally we did extreme. Okay, you wanna do another map?